Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. So in the last session we have understood about what is EC2, what are the use cases of EC2 and what exactly we can do when we are using EC2 instance. But now in this particular session we are going to learn about the different types of EC2 instances. We are going to learn about the instance families and the specifications as well. So now let's start this session. So although in the previous sessions you have understood about the EC2 instances, but still you should know we are just revising each and everything again. So EC2 instance are the virtual servers which can actually provide scalable computing capacity in the cloud. Okay, and when we talk about the instance family, so for the specific workload or the requirement, we are having different type of instance. Okay, so we can say when we talk about the families, so we are having general purpose instances, we are having compute optimized instances, we are having memory optimized instances, then we are having storage optimized and accelerated computing instances we are having. So these are the different types of instances we are having. So now let's talk about the I can say instance family breakdown. So first, when we talk about the general purpose, so in the general purpose we are having balanced compute and memory and networking resources. So for example, we are having P3 or M5. So these kind of instances are comes in the general purpose category. Then we are having compute optimized. So these things comes like C5 or C6G. So the thing is what exactly these examples. So these are the example of instances. And as a beginner, you should not care about this what is T3 or something like that. But there is something called T2 micro or something like that, which you are going to use and which you are using right now. Okay, so just understand what is compute optimized or what are memory optimized. So as the name suggests, computer optimized is basically ideal for compute bound application. Memory are for memory intensive workload, like where we need more memory. When we talk about the storage optimized, so it is something like where we need to write, read, or I can say access the large amount of data again and again in a very fast manner. So we need that. And when we talk about the accelerated, so when we need GPUs, when we need very high virtual CPU, so in that we use these things. Okay, so these are the different instances we are having. These are the different instance families we are having. So these are just the theoretical concept. Just go through each and everything once and you will get the idea what exactly all these all about and where we can actually use them. So I hope you guys have understood about the EC2, type of EC2 instances, the specification and the different configuration which we are having associated with EC2 instances. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much.